You don't need to wait until Christmas Eve to do your Christmas dinner prep. There's so many things that you can make in advance, everything from roast potatoes, pigs in blankets, red cabbage, to even a cheesecake for dessert. And gravy is no exception. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you step by step through how I make my gravy for Christmas, but I will warn you, do not do what I did at the end. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Jenna, an EHO Food Safety Inspector, otherwise known as Food Safety Mum, and from now until Christmas, I'm going to be dropping 2 videos every single week, giving you a mix of tips, advice, make-ahead recipes, baking ideas with the kids, all that good kind of stuff. So make sure you hit subscribe. Now, I'll be honest, we don't always make our own gravy, but Christmas is one occasion where I definitely will. The recipe I'm using today is one that's available as part of my Make Ahead Christmas recipe download, and I will pop the recipe below as well as the link to get over 35 more recipes that you can make ahead this Christmas. But for now, let's get into the gravy. Okay, so it's been a week since I filmed that and I finally come to terms with it. The most disappointing thing for me is that it was probably my best batch, but we live and learn. There we go, I shall be using my own recipe and this video to make my next batch of gravy ahead of Christmas Day, and I hope you do too.